Welcome back. The next thing that we're going to be going over is the 14-day rule. Guys, this is very important so that you don't give your client a reason to cancel their policy in the first month. Now, the 14-day rule is very simple, but you need to make sure you pay attention so you understand how it works. It's very simple, and I'm going to give you an exact example of how this works, right, guys? So number one, let's say I sit down with someone today and it's September 10th, 2020. Now, their first premium is going to get drafted over the next 1 to 5 days, business days, because I just wrote them up. Now, if I set their draft for the next 14 days, so anywhere from the 10th of the month to the 24th of the month, the second draft won't come out until October. Now, if I sit down with someone and I set their draft on the 10th, if I set it outside of that 14-day rules to the 25th, well, then what's going to happen, not only will they get drafted in the next 1 to 5 business days, but then they will also get drafted on the 25th of this same month, the first month. Now, that's going to lead the client to assume that one, you lied to them, or two, the policy is just twice as expensive as you set it up, and you lose a lot of credibility. This does lead to people canceling their policies in the first month. So to avoid this, it's very simple. When you are on the application on page 1, after you type in the bank information at the bottom, what's going to happen is you're going to put in the draft date. And when you put in the draft date, a little box is going to come up on the bottom right. When you set it up, it will tell you when the second draft will come out. Not when the first draft will come out, when the second draft will come out. So if I set up someone's draft for the 20th and I'm sitting down with a client on September 10th, that little box is going to tell me that on October 20th, their second draft will come out because I set it up within the 14-day rule. Later.